Energy Management System. Components. For BMW models. E60, E61, E63, E64. Key components. Battery. IBS, Intelligent Battery Sensor. Gateway/Micro Power Module. Rear Power Distributor with Terminal 30G. Terminal 30G Relay. Power Distributor, Front. Ignition Switch. CAS Module. DME. Starter Relay. Alternator. Earth point, ground. The battery. Component functions. Starting the engine. Powering vehicle electrical systems. Voltage stabilization. Energy storage. Emergency power. Supporting engine functions. IBS, Intelligent Battery Sensor. The IBS is a mechatronic, with its own microcontroller and continuously monitors terminal voltage, change in current, discharge current, acid temp of the battery, connected directly to DME via BSD, bit serial data interface, wired to report conditions of the battery, balance the charge/discharge of battery, calculate state of charge and state of health, independently wake from sleep mode, monitor battery in all vehicle operating modes. Gateway Module. Gateway Module, KGM, Integrated Micro Power Module and Bistable Relay. Connected to CAN. When vehicle is at rest, switches off individual load consumers when off-load current is high or under voltage occurs. If vehicle fails to enter sleep mode. Bistable Relay controls Terminal 30GF directly controls. Micro Power Module powers and controls CA, Comfort Access, CCC, CD Changer, JN80 or KN80, Navigation, Combi, Instrument Panel, Mask/CCC, Multi-Audio/Car Communication, SEL, Steering Column, TCU or ULF, Telematics. CAS, Car Access System. The CAS includes the following functions: Terminal Control, Electronic Vehicle Immobilizer, EWS, Evaluation of radio signals from remote control. The CAS is directly connected to ignition starter switch or insert compartment by wires. The DME/DDE and the starter motor are connected to the CAS. The CAS is part of the CAN bus network. Car Access System 3, CAS3. PT CAN. CAS 3. CAN. CAS bus. Alternator/generator. When the engine is running, the alternator generates a variable charge voltage for battery charging. The power management system influences the variable charge voltage, depending on temperature and current, by causing the DME or DDE to increase the engine speed. Variable charge voltage for the battery by adapting the charge voltage from the alternator to that required by the battery. Increased idling speed to boost the alternator's output.